Okay, so this is kind of the original concept. Right now I have a chair down, so I can't put it in its proper perspective, but the reason that I built the sink is I wanted it to sit on top of this EcoFlow Delta that I have. And so when the two of those are together, it's about maybe 6 inches or so um, taller than my countertop that I put in here. And so as far as this part's concerned, this is my little $5 water dispenser, and I kind of changed a couple of things on it for right now. Right now I have, when I flip it up, there's a 4-quart container in there, and I went ahead and I did a collapsible water bag in there. I figured that would be easier. It doesn't have a chance to fall over as much. And I just put the equivalent amount of water in the basin, my return basin, as I do right there. This guy I purchased at a kitchen supply store. It's a let's say 6 by 6.5 chaffing steamer dish. I took a piece of 1x and I trimmed it to fit inside this container. This container is a Halabar from Ikea. I had it laying around, and I kept food pellets in it, and when I decided not to use the grill as much, I decided to change it over. Now the reason I put these two guys together here is because if it sits over in my van, this chair normally would be down, and it's going to sit right next to that location in my van. So even when I'm sitting up, the objective is this: I have a Boxio over there in that corner, and I'm not going to pull it out because I'm just describing the sink. But when everything is completely set up and the chairs are moved in the front and everything, and the curtains are drawn and whatever, when I get to using the bathroom, I have a sink that I can use. And also I have I can use it for the toilet. I can use it to wash my dishes. See, my dishes are under here. I can wash the little dishes. I did not get large dishes on purpose. When the TV is up, then I normally have this right here is my cooking grill or my heating plate. I also have one of those, I don't know what they call these things. Check with Amanda on Adventuring with Amanda. She has one too. But other than that, when those things are kind of set up, then I'm okay there. And once I'm in some form of order, I'm okay. But my dishes are not such that they're so big that they won't fit in the sink. So if I did this correctly, let's say I have spoon, forks, these guys like this, no problem, right? So what I also did with this steamer plate, I just took a round pipe, I laid it in there, I traced it, and then I just drilled a series of holes so that it drains into this basin. Then I can empty this basin. The one thing that I do like about using this Halabar is that if anything happens to overflow, it's not overflowing on the floor. This catches everything. In the event that something goes goofy, it's more than perfect for that. The only thing that I have left that I need to do with this is to build something where this would sit flat, or I don't want it sitting completely on this EcoFlow. I want it to be able to mount, and I need to mount it over to that corner. Okay, so I'm going to take a second here, and I'm going to assemble it, and then I'm going to show the assembly, and then I'm going to show it running, and then I'm going to get out of here. So hold on, guys. Okay, so now this is the full setup of my little sink. And the one thing I do like, it is truly portable. Thank you, Ikea. And you can see that if you can look right there, the tube is down in the bottle. This was just one of those collapsible bottles that you could buy at Amazon or whatnot. So then now all I have to do is push this button and voila, I have running water. I can wash my hands. I can do all the things that most people do. I just want to show that the idea does work. The water drains nicely. Okay, I can use it until I'm ready, push my button, I'm off, and see, it drains really good. So not perfect, but it's good enough for what I need. And then that goes down into the basin, and you guys can see, yes, it does work. So I thought that I just wanted to share this briefly. I know that I got some comments on my Facebook about how well this, or nice idea, does it work? I just needed to finish to prove that it did work. And this is what we are going to be using on our next adventures. So you guys take care. Have a good weekend. This is Ace.